Welcome back to another product review by AwesomeTube956. Today we will be reviewing 5 different products that are all used with one device and perform similar functions, some better than others. The device these products can be used for is the Panasonic GM5 digital camera. Although many different names and brands of these 5 items, they all work well with the GM5. Today we are talking about the original battery, the replacement batteries, the original battery charger, and the replacement battery charger. Why so many different products to do the same thing for one device? The tech specs are all different and some may be more attractive than others. Let's find out more about what I am talking about. The original charger output is 8.4 volts and 0.43 amps. The replacement charger output is also 8.4 volts and 600 milliamps. The replacement has more output to charge faster and more for the higher amp hour replacement batteries. Why have 2? Having options is great, and an extra charger helps when charging multiple batteries in a rush. Let's talk about batteries. The original battery by Panasonic is a 680 milliamp hour battery, which is not much. This battery does not last long and needs to be replaced about 45 minutes to an hour and 20 minutes of constant use, which is very annoying. The replacement batteries are by EffortTech and .01. The EffortTech batteries are all 1000 milliamp hour batteries that last much longer than the original batteries. The .01 batteries are all 1200 milliamp hour batteries. I am pleased with the replacement batteries and would recommend them. One thing to note is that the battery chargers are smart chargers that sense when batteries are fully charged and provide the correct output for a particular battery needs. We hope that you appreciate this simple product review, and if you have not guessed it by now, we have the Panasonic GM5 and anticipate a product review on it in the future. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to get the latest on our uploads. Remember to follow us on our social media pages, and we appreciate the love. Have a good one.